Today, the day we've been waiting. Today, the day Today, the day we've been waiting for. Let's clean this up. It's all my Nugget Lake stuff. It shines. You can't see it, but I'll show you in the pan. It is beautiful. Well, hope the partner doesn't mind. I used her toothbrush extension for Sonicare. You shouldn't have to do this, but it's been dry for a week and a half. So I just want to make sure I get everything. No more gold than that. All right, volume. Shake, shake, shake. That's clean. We can put this away. That's it. 1 little tablespoon of concentrates. I'm going to clean this up, get some panning water, and let's take care of this. TV magic. We got bubbles. I'm going to use my Garrett. Make sure there's nothing in it. And here it is. Obviously, I'm going to take my time. I'll probably do it 3 or 4 times. Yeah, towards the riffles. Don't do it. I'm going to take all those lights off. Shake, 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 shake. I got all the postcards, not postcards, the sticker letters sent out. Well, not sent out, I got stickers on them. Ooh, I'm pausing right here just so I can show you guys. No moving, no moving, no stay. Look at that. Hoo-wee. Oh boy, oh boy. This is ridiculous. Holy moly. There's a lot of gold in here. Lots of concentrating. Not a lot of talking. So I got international stamps too. One's going to Canada. I don't know if I need an international one that because it's just flying across. But anyway, it's probably even driving. It's probably not even flying. But UK, you're in there. Oh, just freaking moved it. Tsunami I was talking about. You're only moving 600 pieces of black sands off every swoosh. Oh, the sun, the light just sucks. The closer you get to the end, the slower it seems to go. The faster you want to do it, but the more you actually have to concentrate. Still moving the same amount of black sands off of it, just they're tiny. And they're moving about 3 inches at a time. Look at that. Alright, there it is. Alright, that's the haul. Oh wait, we're missing a monster piece. Let me get the snuffer bottle. It's huge. How'd that come out of the same hole as the other stuff? I can feel that piece too. It's a crazy world out there, and if you dig some holes in the right spot, you can find gold too. Thanks for watching.